On the 21st of June 2025, hundreds of hikers gathered at the base of Ngwo, Enugu State, drawn by the call of nature and the promise of adventure. The journey began with a crowd lined up, eager and energized, friends reuniting, newcomers arriving, and the environment buzzing with anticipation. As the participants assembled, organizers announced his 1,000 security fee. With such a large turnout, safety became a top priority. Trained personnel were stationed across the terrain, ensuring control as the numbers swelled. While registration continued, another atmosphere unfolded. A social hub emerged, music pulsed from portable speakers, faces lit up with smiles, and laughter filled the air. There were face and hand paintings, photo moments, reunions, and spontaneous dance sessions. Here, the hike was more than movement. It was a culture of joy before the climb even began.
Yo guys, so today we are on a tour and we are currently in Ngwo. The weather is a little bit mild and it's peaceful. So we are going to go around. It's going to be fun. I just want you guys to stick and watch out. Please remember, you know me, my own problem is that I like if you like, you share, you comment. I don't understand. So, carry the camera, come. What's the name? Precious. Damn. This is massive, baby. I mean, you look fantastic. Just for this hiking, like. So, what are you expecting for today, like?
I'm expecting to have fun.
Have fun. Are you Yoruba? I know Yoruba. But I have Yoruba scar. I'm looking for a Yoruba girl here. My name is Kez. Okay, so Kez, what are we doing today?
So Nigerians were in a town hall, different from bad Lablu, because we have Lablu.
I don't understand you. Make it clear.
You have to shine more light on it.
My name is Chukwamaka. Yeah.
What are you expecting from today?
I'm expecting fun. I'm more fun.
I mean, the weather is actually calm. I don't see signs of rain, but if rain falls, do you think it's going to spoil the whole event?
No. It's not going to. Like, it's even going to be more fun.
Soon the journey began. Dozens became hundreds, forming a seemingly endless trail through the paths, hills, and forest clearings. Along the way, a shallow stream was humorously named River Jordan. Participants shouted for Moses to part the waters, echoing biblical jokes and laughter.
Yeah, we got a problem, guys. We got a problem. We just reached the Red Sea. Like, we reached the Red Sea and we need to cross it. Where is Moses? Did anybody see Moses? Oh my God. Damn the ride.
Despite the pace, the terrain demanded patience. It was a walk of many steps, many voices, and many stories. Within the moving crowds were layers of humanity. Some walked hand in hand, some danced without music, some filmed, posed, flirted, and simply wandered.
Yeah, so we are with a lot of bunch of bunnies. Bunch of bunnies. Last time, yeah, what's your name?
My name?
Yeah.
You wanna know my name?
Yeah, I'm Wale. What's your name?
Okay, I'm Luby.
Oh, say that's massive, baby.
Okay. That's massive, baby.
So that's big, baby.
That's crazy, baby.
So where are we going to now? Okay. Where are we going to now?
Oh, we're going to Amabor Waterfall.
Amabor Waterfall.
Yeah, so we're hiking currently.
Yeah. So like, what are you expecting?
My expectations?
Yeah.
Well, they're quite moderate.
I
I just want to have fun though.
Okay. That's nice. That's
Yeah.
nice. So are you here with someone? Your boyfriend? Your mother?
Father. Please.
You can't go on hiking with your father or mother.
Which kind of out of questions? I just hope that this all turns out very good.
You get the
and very
well.
Like I want to have a good day. I don't want to have a bad day. I don't want to, you know.
So you came here like to stress, like ease your mind.
Yeah, exactly.
So like, are you going through a phase of like heartbreak?
Are you okay? Why you just say pray make person break my heart?
You say you want to have a hard day.
You know, in life we have a lot of struggle and bosses and a lot of things. So
I see.
You know, we just come sometimes to like ease ourselves off and you know have fun and stuff like that. So currently this is one of the days. Instead of being at home doing stuff or going to work or something, you can just come and ease yourself off. You understand that?
Yeah, I understand.
Yeah, so
because like me like this now, I just came to look for animals.
You came to look for animals.
Yeah, we're going to waterfall. We're going to fall. I must fall in love. Whether you like it.
Hello. Can you tell us how you got this your tattoo? What was the inspiration?
A good pass.
Oh, is that a good pass? Oh, okay.
For some, it was about nature. For others, connection. And for a few, something deeper, personal escape. The path became a living canvas of human emotion. So many people panicked. Some paused, a few turned back, but those who pressed on emerged into something breathtaking. To reach the waterfall, participants had to crawl, bend, or squeeze through a tight, darkened cave, surrounded by edges and sound of rushing water nearby. Within the crowd, small businesses found expression. A vendor requested content, blending adventure with entrepreneurship. Even here, creativity found a stage.
MVP. Yes, you can petrol, personalizer. Personalizer, oh. Very sweet.
From quiet moments under the cascade to spontaneous cheers, the waterfall became more than a sight. It became a shared memory. Shoes were tossed aside, and the crowd gave in to nature's rhythm. The water from high cliffs into the rock basin below, filling the air with myth and awe. Faces lit up, voices echoed. The Amabor hike was more than a walk. It was a fusion of movement, music, fear, fun, and freedom. Organized by Coast City Ballers, captured and documented by Jesture Studios. This is a visual experience, a memory frozen in time, and a reminder that sometimes the journey is the adventure. Thank you for watching, and please do hit the subscribe button and turn on your notification.